Hello again, it's Ty. I'm just here today with a quick unboxing of this giant Waite tarot deck. Just picked this one up for the purpose of making videos because I have been using this Centennial edition of the Smith Waite, which is a handy pocket size. It comes in a tin, but not the biggest, not the clearest for use on video. So let's get into this one, see what the size difference is. All right, we are double wrapped. Get under that plastic again. And giant is correct. So it does come with a little white book as well. For your definitions, short and sweet as per the original, and a little introductory card there as well. That's nice. So this is the size, which I'm sure anyone watching this will find the most important thing about this video if you're considering buying this deck. And you get a nice card as well about Pamela Colman Smith. Oh, that's lovely. A bit about her biography and things. Very good that they include that. So this is the size that they come in at, which, just like it says on the box, is giant. I cannot fit my hand lengthways in order to shuffle as I normally would. So I guess if I'm overhanding, I'm just going to have to be long ways. As someone who does not riffle shuffle, I'm not sure how that would go either. But I imagine it would be pretty difficult, huh? So, in comparison to the Centennial edition, which I was using, what are we at there? At least twice as tall. Yeah. Approximately, let's say like 3 times the size overall. This is my other deck that I'll use for comparison for size. This is the deck I use every day. It's the Tattoo Tarot. It's a pretty standard size for tarot decks. And that's maybe 2/3 as tall. So yeah, you got 1.5 times the size there. I think there's not a lot more to say. I mean, it's your standard Waite, but it's going to be lovely and easy to see on camera, which is exactly what I purchased it for. Print quality is nice. Cardstock, could be better, but this was not an expensive deck, and I'm viewing it as an investment. It's going to make it nice and easy to make heaps more teaching and example videos for everyone watching. So thanks for tuning in today. If you would like to book a reading with me, all of my details are going to be in the description below, and I'll see you in the next Tarot and Oracle video. Thanks. Bye.